in facilitating the larger process of justice, gender justice? I don't think so, and I think the women's movement would agree with me on this.
Okay. So Charu, as a member of the NCW, what's your take on this?
See, this debate has been initiated due to the judgment, the recent judgment, and NCW was pursuing this case, and I really feel that in the present context, the judgment has had an impact, and in a way it's good because it's shown that the judiciary can respond to the needs of society and to the rising crime. Yet, on a larger perspective, like Maya said, it's actually concealing the problem. I mean, if you take just the concept of death penalty, capital punishment, because it's detracting from the main questions which are before us. One is that the agency is responsible for enhancing women's security and safety. What are they doing? Nothing. Again, when we talk about, we're talking about survivor orientation. I mean, the law, you have to maintain the dignity of the survivor and provide her support. The CRPC also has a provision for compensation to victims of violence, which include rape. Nothing has happened. The process is through a board. NCW's had numerous consultations. We've given the range up to 3 to 5 lakh rupees.
Okay.
And not even when the trial starts. We've said that when the woman makes the complaint and when her complaint is recorded, but nothing has happened because state governments have to set up boards. So basically, and then again everyone blames the judiciary that, the government always says that the judiciary is not performing, and the public is saying the judiciary is not performing. But the fact is that I would hold the government fully responsible for all the crime that's taking place here, because the courts are overloaded with work, judges are not being appointed. It's the prosecutor. You see, the defense will always get the best witness, but who is going to proceed on behalf of the survivor or the victim?
Correct.
That is the state. And there are no prosecutors, so they're running from court to court. There are numerous judgments of the Supreme Court which have given directions to the state that this is